For Chicagoans, Biden's forgiveness plan was a blessing. A Biden blessing, for lack of a better word. I know, hyperbole much? Listen, I can't help you cancel that student debt, but I'm going to bring along my lender partner to highlight how you can buy a house with all that student debt. Chicago lifers and soon to be Chicago lifers, before I introduce our guest today, I have an offer for you. I want you to wait to the end of the video. I've got a great offer. Make sure you wait to the end of the video and I will let you know what that offer is. But Bob Friel here with Friel Good Mortgage is my lender partner, has helped so many of my past and current clients with their loan needs. He's an industry veteran and I can't wait for you to kind of understand. He's got a kind of step-by-step plan here. So Bob, why don't you take it away?
Thank you, AD, for that introduction. I appreciate that very much, and welcome to this video. So what my topics are going to cover here is really the debt to income ratio calculation, which is the killer of most people's dreams when it comes to buying a property. Keep in mind, it is less about the amount that you owe on your debt versus what the minimum or the monthly payments look like on your credit report. So what we're going to do over the next couple of minutes here is we're going to look at some public record information from collegeinvestor.com that's going to talk about some average student loan debt, some payment information, and how that translates into a mortgage. So what we're going to look at is, what if we traded consumer debt? Let's say that was totally gone. How would that translate into today's current mortgage 30-year conventional loan payment? And one of the other big killers besides student loans for most borrowers out there is their auto loan payment, and you would be surprised if you could get rid of your student loans and your auto loan, how much does that translate into a 30-year fixed mortgage? Now keep in mind, purchasing power has been deteriorating over the last couple of months here because interest rates have been skyrocketing, inflation is on the rise, and a potential recession is looming. So stick with us to the end here so that you could take advantage of all this great information. Average student loan debt payment right now is $393. The average student loan debt is nearly $40,000 that you could see on this image here. $393 a month, if that were totally wiped clear, that would translate into $68,000 of a mortgage payment on a 30-year fixed rate term at today's Freddie Mac conventional loan rate. Today's posted rates are 5.66% per Freddie Mac. Now the median student loan debt is $222, and that translates into nearly $38,000 in mortgage if you amortize that over a 30-year period. The debt to income ratio is what all banks use. It's the number one killer of all loans at this point in time because most people are carrying way too much consumer debt than they have for their income to also then carry a mortgage on top of the skyrocketing costs of interest rates, inflation, recession, and so on. So if you can, during the process of getting your pre-approval started, saving for a home, get rid of consumer debt by a number of different ways, maybe doing a garage sale, downsizing, anything that you may not need anymore, selling all that and getting rid of consumer debt. If you can get rid of your student loans, obviously that's a benefit, what we just talked about. But the next biggest thing is those car payments. So get this. The average car payment on a new vehicle is $677, and a used car is $515, if you can believe that. Guess what that translates into a mortgage? The new car, that's at $117,000 mortgage, and that used car payment is $89,000 of a mortgage. So you can see that the two biggest killers of most people's debt ratios are going to be those auto loans and those high student loans. So yes, the Biden plan may help you with $10,000 or $20,000 deduction in that, which is great. Getting rid of consumer debt's going to be beneficial in being able to qualify for more mortgage. But if you just want to get started, as AD mentioned, he'll tell you exactly how you can take advantage of our ultimate home buyer system here by getting that pre-qualification certificate. And then the team and I, with AD's help, can really get you on the path to home ownership the right way without being
Promise offer time. If you work with me and we close on a property after all that great information, thanks again, Bob Friel, for all that great information. You listen to Bob, we have that discovery call, you work with me, we get you the home of your dreams. I'm going to be given a $500 credit. It will be a closing credit provided to you. No other obligation is yours, and that will be provided to you after closing. That is my offer to you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this has been Buying a Home, Buying a House with Student Debt, Loan Debt. I'm Anant Deoras, AD with eXp Realty. Don't go anywhere. As always, I've got a great video here for you to watch that YouTube recommends. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.